How to schedule Instagram posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, a key requirement for scheduling an Instagram post is that you must have a public or a professional Instagram account. So, to switch it, you need to go to account types and tools to switch your account. Now, I'll show you how to schedule the Instagram post. So just tap on your Instagram app and then you can go to your profile in the bottom right corner and then tap on the plus icon in the top left and then go to post. Now choose your post, hit next in the top right, and then you can edit it according to your choice, put in audio and music, just hit next after that, and then scroll down and you can see more options at the bottom. Just tap on it and you can see schedule this post. So just toggle it on and tap on continue scheduling, and then you can choose when you want to post it. So let's say I want to post it tomorrow at 6:45 p.m. So I'll set it accordingly and hit done. And that's it. After this, I can go back so I can put in my caption and then just share it. Just tap on share and it will be shared at the scheduled time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.